What is the standard form of the quadratic formula?
X equals negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. How to get the answer? You must substitute the value of the given equation a, b, and c, extract the square root, and transform the answer to the lowest term.
What is the standard form of linear equation?
The standard form of linear equation is ax plus by equals c. I-record na kayo. Ibutagaan kas kong knowledge.
What is science?
Science, systematized body of knowledge which is based on facts and principles that could be observed in a physical, social, and natural environment.
What is the standard form of quadratic function?
Equals f of x equals mx plus b. Di ba slope man na dong? Y equals y. What is the slope na lang?
What is the slope?
Slope. The standard form of slope is y equals mx plus b.
Mo na siya.